Hello. In this session, we will see how to download LTspice to do the simulation of electronic circuits. In Google, we just type LTspice, select the first option, select download for Windows. Download takes a couple of minutes. Once it is downloaded, double click on the link, click on next, accept the terms, the license agreement, click on the next button, select the first option, install. By default it selects the C drive. You can proceed with that. Once it is installed successfully, you can give finish. If you would have installed it successfully, you can see the LTspice icon like this. Double click on the icon to launch the software. So this is the platform where we can perform the simulation of electronic circuits. In the next session, we'll try to simulate some simple circuits. Thank you.